Good morning, class. Welcome back to our online class. It's me again, teacher Jenny. Okay? Today is Thursday. Very good. Thursday, let's spell all together. Thursday, Thursday. Thursday. How about the month? April. 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 How about the date? The date is 30th. And the year is 2030. Okay. Well done. K3A. Today is Thursday and we need to study Jungle Phonics 3 again. Very good. So every Wednesday and Thursday we study Jungle Phonics 3. Okay, before we continue, prepare your book, your pencil, also your eraser, and also your notebook. So you are going to write an exercise. So let's continue. Unit 1, sound, aim, ache, 8. Okay, so we are going to continue our lesson from yesterday to page 10. So take out your book, everyone. Jungle Phonics 3, student book. Open your book to page 10. These are the vocabulary words. We will just continue this one from yesterday. Okay, so here are learning, sound, ache. Here are the words and the picture. So we will still continue the learning, sound, ache. Learning, sound, ache. Number 1. What is this, everyone? Bake. Bake. Number 2. Ache, cake. Very good. What is this? Cake. How about this? Ache, lake. Very good. Lake. This is lake. So again, read and spell. Number 1, bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. Number 2, cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. How about number 3? Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Very good. Clap for yourself, everyone. Now, here's our sentences. Okay? Read the sentences. We have 3 sentences. Okay? Let's read one by one. Number 1. Read slowly with teacher, okay? Number 1, I like to bake cookies. Again, I like to bake cookies. Okay, next, number 2, I want chocolate cake. Again, I want chocolate cake. Good. Number 3, I live nearby the lake. Again, I live nearby the lake. Okay, read again. But this time, we are going to read a little bit faster, okay? Number 1, I like to bake cookies. Again, I like to bake cookies. Number 2, I want chocolate cake. Again, I want chocolate cake. Number 3, I live nearby the lake. Again, I live nearby the lake. Okay, did you get it, everyone? Well done. Okay, clap for yourself. Now, practice these sentences. Take a short video clip and then send it to your group, okay? Now, here's our exercise for today. Our exercise for today, complete the puzzle below. These are the puzzles, okay? Are you excited? Can you help teacher to finish this one? To complete our puzzle? Well done. So, let's start. First, number 1. What picture is this? Bake. Correct. So, what is the missing letter in here? Letter B. Letter B. Correct. So, write letter B here. So, spell bake. Bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. Very good. Next. Number 2. What is this? Very good. Cake. Can you spell cake, everyone? Okay. First letter is C. Next is A. How about in here? Letter K. And this one, E. Good job. What is this? Cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. Well done. Next, the last picture. What is this? Lake. Very good. So, first letter is letter L. Letter L. L. Next is A. And then K. And the last letter is E. Lake. So, spell lake, everyone. Lake. L-A-K-E. Lake. Okay. So, these are our exercise for today. Let's read the sentence again and the 3 new vocabulary words. Okay? Number 1, I like to bake cookies. Number 2, I want chocolate cake. Number 3, I live nearby the lake. Okay, teacher wants you to practice these sentences, okay? For you also to be able to remember our new or our 3 vocabulary words from yesterday. So, if you know how to read these sentences, then you know how to make a sentences also. Got it? Next, here, let's review this picture and its word. Number 1, what is this, everyone? Bake. Bake. B-A-K-E. Bake. Number 2, cake. C-A-K-E. Cake. How about number 3? Lake. L-A-K-E. Okay. Clap for yourself, everyone. Well done for today. So don't forget, every Wednesday and Thursday, we study Jungle Phonics 3. So this lesson is continuation only from yesterday, okay? So you have to review again our sound for today. Learning sound ache. We have bake, also cake, and the last vocabulary word is lake. Okay, good job, everyone. Don't forget to write our exercise to your notebook, okay? You need this one, your pencil, and also your eraser. So, I hope that you finish the exercise. I hope that you learn from today's lesson. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.